Biggles the Gaijin, Jamaican YouTuber, talking about how I got into a fight with two different Japanese men. Biggles the Gaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. Ikita Show! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time I didn't do that intro. Story time. So I'm back. The first story has to do with me and my hungry stomach. You know, I'm a big guy. You know, guys, I'm a big guy, right? That's what they said. There's a particular place I love to eat. It's called Goju Goban Restaurant in Toyota City. It is pretty close to the Toyota station, maybe like 2 minutes away on foot. And there they have maze soba. If you don't know what maze soba is, maze means to mix, and soba is the type of noodle they use. Now, in different restaurants, it varies the thickness of the noodle. The basic ingredients for this dish are noodles, negi, which is the French onion, nori, seaweed, beef, pork, take, bamboo shoot, and the yellow of the egg yolk, right? Because the egg yolk is yellow. Right, the yolk of the egg. I just get in with those two chopsticks and I I mix. Whip. Sauce. Alright, sorry. Base God, Lily B. I'm just using it for the video. Give me permission. Don't curse me like how I did Kevin Durant. Thanks, peace. Come on! I go to this restaurant probably once or twice a week. Alright? Back in the day. Now I kind of eased off. I even had a rewards card which I fully maxed out. I got a free meal. But anyway, that's not the point. So the issue is obvious with my parking. So this place doesn't have parking for itself. I ride a bicycle. So the first couple times I went there, I used to park right in front of the store. After about 3 or 4 months, the owner of the store said, hey, you can't really park there because blah, 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 blah. Okay, fine. So I park further down from the store, being the Jamaican that I am. You see, I can't park here, so he didn't say I couldn't park here. Apparently, where I parked was in front of someone's house. He didn't like it, so he came to the store and complained. And the person asked, whose bike is this out here? I said, oh, it's my bike. My black mountain bike. This guy was even more upset because a foreigner dared to park in front of his house. Oh my god. Or maybe it was just that somebody parked in front of his house. He didn't want that. Fine. Let's not make this thing about race like everything everybody's talking about, you know, H&M. Politics in general, life in general, in any country, it's all about race. Right, I say, okay, fine, I'm sorry, it won't happen again. So I move my bike from there. The shop is here, his house is here, okay? Remember this. I go back to the store one night, I'm hungry as fudge. Just finished teaching like 4 lessons that day. My mind is on this maze soba. My belly is singing and crying over maze soba. Even in my lessons, I told the kids, hey, after this, I am going to eat maze soba. Alright? I come up the station, ride my bike, and remember, my restaurant, Goju Goban, his house, Chinese restaurant, American restaurant, police station right here, the Koban. And of course, the parking lot is across from his house. So I park there, fine, go and eat my maze soba, get my extra rice and my egg, eat that up. Finito. Great. Magnifico. Sorry, we're in Japan. Right. So fine. Okay. Everything okay. So I'm going back to my bike. I see this old man against the wall, probably taking a piss or was drunk or whatever. He was taking a piss. Definitely was taking a piss. Finished. I go to my bike to unlock it. Homeboy turns to me and says, oi, yamete. Parking, what damn it? He said it in Japanese, of course, but I can't remember the word for parking right now. So I'm like, okay, I'm just trying to go home, buddy. Just leave me alone. You're drunk. Go home, Roger. Go home. But no, it didn't stop there. He said, no, let's go to the store and see what they say about parking here. I'm like, why do I need to do that? So I'm getting my bike and I'm going away. Homeboy reaches to grab me. This Japanese man decided to try and touch me with his recently acquired piss hands. This man just finished playing with his stuff. He just finished touching his own sushi roll. I'm gonna touch me. No, listen to me. Me not take kindly to people touch me in the first place, but when you bring your nasty self, come try and touch me with your damn body hand. Me not want that around me. Me not want that around me, dog. Don't do it. What I meant was, sir, please do not touch me after you recently just used the bathroom and touched your own penis. In a sense, for those who didn't understand my Jamaican rant earlier. Right. May I say, yo, what was this? What was this all about? So I'm trying to go home. Then he says, no, let's go to the police station and see what they have to say. You are going to carry me to the police station up there. My house is that way. I have a bicycle. How are you going to stop me? So I get on my bike. At this point, he goes in front of my bicycle in front of the store and says, oi, tomate. I'm like, nigga, if you don't tomate to the right or to the left while I ride my bike, I'm going to hit you out of the road. Move. move. So I get my bicycle, and I just ride and swerve, and leave him behind. You tell me, dear God, why this man decides it? And why would this man decide to try and pick a fight with me? First of all, he's shorter than me, he's smaller than me. I know people say size don't matter, but in this case, I have a bicycle, which is a weapon. Okay, my black bike can do that spinning BMX trick and clap him out of the way and I go on my business, right? But then they're going to say the foreigner's in the wrong. All right, fine. Maybe I shouldn't have parted. But the point is, I was not affecting his price of rice, his price of tea, his rent, or his salary. So why is he effing with me over there away from his house? His house is there. I am over here. What's going on? Anyway, that being resolved, move on, went home. Now, I can't remember if this story was after this incident. I think it was after this incident because I'm really fuming. Anyway, I go to have a drink right after class. It was a long day. Different story, of course. Go to have a drink. I get on my bike outside the McDonald's and say, okay, I'm gonna go home. Jump on my bike, start riding. A group of Japanese people are walking towards me. Males, of course. One of them utters something very derogatory about foreigners. I think he said baka gaijin or mite look at that gaijin. He's so silly or he's weird looking or whatever, or kashi, whatever. But it didn't register until 5 meters after what he said. I was in the mood today. I can't cuss out my kids like how I would cuss him out or beat him up. So guess what? I stopped my bike and I proceeded to go back towards this man. So I go like Louis Armstrong type stuff. Neil Armstrong. What's the guy's name? Lance Armstrong. Do that nice cool skid with the back tire sliding up behind. Oh my God, I stopped in front of them and said, oi, say me, nani tano saki. All of a sudden, this homie doesn't understand Japanese. Maybe my Japanese was bad or slurred because I was drunk. But basically I said, what the did you just say? And I looked him like this. I was like, right here. He was there, I had my back legs. I said, oh, nani tano saki. Nani mo like this. At this point, his friends are on the back like, oh shit, this nigga just got himself in some trouble. I swore to God, I heard them say, oh, world star, or the equivalent in Japanese, and the phones came out. Did they? I can't remember. Sounds a bit of a story, right? Yeah, sounds a bit of a story. All right, so his friends are laughing in the background, and I asked him, oi, what did you say a while ago when I rode past you? Bruh. All of a sudden now, he's, quiet. So I said, okay.
Bye, Felicia.
Or in Japanese, I say like, yappare, teme, baka. And I ride off. While I ride off, I look back, his friends are laughing their asses off because they're like, oh my God, you've been acting so tough around us, but a guy confronts you and you're like, just a softie. Yeah, so that's pretty much how I handle that situation. I'm not a fighter, I'm a lover. Please call me. My number is... I'm not going to give you my number. But you can reach me at my followings down below in the social media. In the comments down below, tell me, have you had any conversations while traveling abroad or in your own country? How did you handle that? And if someone disses you, like, what do you do when you're drunk? Leave it down below in the comments. And see you in the next video. Story time is over for today. You know what's really amazing though? You know what's really amazing? The fact that I did not swing a punch at the guy who tried to touch me with his dick hands. Like, legit. We fight for less than that in Jamaica. Try and touch a man like that. Never! Do never! Never for far. Oh yeah! Oh guys, tell me what would you guys have done in that situation? Tell your friends about me. Tell them, say, yo, this Jamaican dude here is doing some crazy stuff. And you say, oh my God, because the guy did, he's like, Alright, just subscribe, right? And share. Follow me, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat too.